In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to return items in Uniqlo. We'll walk through the official website so you know exactly where to find the return and exchange rules, what the time frame is, and what you might need to prepare. This way you can avoid surprises at the counter and make your return as smooth as possible. Start by opening the Uniqlo website in your browser. From the home page, look toward the top area of the site for the profile icon. Click that to go into your account area. Once you're inside your profile, scroll down through the page until you see the help section. This is where Uniqlo keeps key customer service links, and it's the most reliable place to get the latest return information for your region. In the help section, select return policy. That link will take you to the detailed policy page. On that page, look for the section called Introduction. Return and exchange policy. Give this a careful read. It summarizes everything you need to know and clarifies any region-specific details, such as where returns are processed and what documentation is required. Taking a minute to review it now can save you time later. Here are the essentials you'll see highlighted there. First, there is a 30-day window from the purchase date to request an exchange or refund. Mark your calendar based on the date on your receipt or order history because this deadline is important. Items generally need to be in good, resellable condition, so keeping original tags and packaging intact is a smart move. Proof of purchase is typically needed too, so have your receipt or order confirmation handy. If your purchase was made through the online store, a return form is required. This form helps the team verify your order and process your request correctly. You'll find guidance on that same policy page about how the form is used and any details you'll need to provide. Follow what's written there so nothing is missed. Finally, according to the policy shown on this page, exchanges are handled at a physical Uniqlo store. That means you'll complete the exchange in person, bring the item and your proof of purchase, and be ready to show any details referenced in the policy, such as the return form for online orders. That's it. Visit the Uniqlo site, head to your profile, scroll to help. Open the return policy, read the introduction, return and exchange policy, note the 30-day window, prepare the return form if you ordered online, and complete the exchange in store. Always double check the policy